video shows you around MyN4L's Network Monitor tool. Network Monitor displays information about the performance and functionality of your school's Wi-Fi equipment and wireless networks, helping you quickly diagnose issues with switches and access points. A switch connects wired devices such as a desktop or access point to the network. An access point is then used to wirelessly connect further devices to the network. The first thing you'll see in Network Monitor is an overview of all the switches and access points at your school. This allows you to quickly see if any switches or access points are down, and we can see here that a few access points are offline. Use the menu on the left for more detail about the equipment. Let's have a closer look at the access points. The Access Points section shows a list of all the access points installed at your school. They're labelled according to their location in your school. This includes the block, building level, cabinet number, and access point name. You can see information on model, IP address, clients, which is the number of devices connected to each access point, and last seen status. Click on an access point to see more detail, such as its up or down time, MAC address, and serial number. The up-down time shows how long an access point has been online or offline, indicating when an incident might have triggered a change in an access point status. Last seen provides a more detailed timestamp of when an access point went offline. You can check this against any power outages, maintenance work, or other incidents to diagnose what the root cause of an issue might be. Changing to the Switches section will show you similar information. The label indicates the block, level, cabinet, and switch name. And you'll see the model, IP address, last backup times, up-down times, and status too. Last backup shows when your switch configuration was last captured to assist with replacement in the event of a switch failure. Again, more detail is available by clicking on a switch, with information displayed similar to that for access points, with up-down time showing how long a switch has been online or offline, as well as an overview of how many ports are active or in use on a switch. One final section of Network Monitor to look at shows all the wireless networks at your school. A network status could be disabled if it's only scheduled to be used at specific times or circumstances, such as exam times, or if it's no longer required. If you see a network is disabled that you think is meant to be enabled, please reach out to our customer support team or your IT provider. Authentication method shows if and how each network identifies users and devices, while encryption method outlines how user information is protected on each network. Guidance on interpreting this information is available on Support Hub, which you can get to by clicking on the question mark icon. You can also see the number of devices connected to each network, as well as the amount of data uploaded and downloaded, with further information available by clicking on each network. It's important to keep in mind that Network Monitor is a starting point for identifying issues and helping with troubleshooting, and that you can't make changes within the tool itself. You can find guidance on how Network Monitor can be used in this way on Support Hub. But if you're still unsure of what you're seeing, you can always call our customer support team on 0800 Learning, and they'll be happy to help.